What makes a house a home? Is it the walls? Is it the roof? Or is it something more? Today, we follow a young boy named Leo. He discovers that the best part of his day is not a toy or a game. It is something much more special. Do you know what it is? Let's find out. Leo lives in a small, blue house. He lives with his mother, his father, and his grandfather. Every morning, the house is very quiet. Leo wakes up early. He goes to the kitchen. He sees his grandfather, Grandpa Sam. Grandpa Sam is sitting at the wooden table. He is looking at an old, yellow book. "Good morning, Grandpa," Leo says softly. Grandpa Sam smiles. His eyes are kind. "Good morning, Leo. Today is a special day. It is your mother's birthday." Leo jumps up. "Oh no, I don't have a gift," he thinks. He feels a little sad. He wants to give his mom something beautiful. Grandpa Sam pats the chair next to him. "Don't worry, Leo. We can make a gift. We can make the family cake." Leo is confused. "The family cake? What is that?" Grandpa opens the old book. "This is a book of memories," he says. "This cake is special because we make it together." They start to work. Grandpa shows Leo how to mix the flour. Leo's hands are white with flour. He laughs. Grandpa laughs too. "First," Grandpa says, "we add sugar for sweetness, just like your mom's voice." Leo adds the sugar carefully. "Next," Grandpa says, "we add butter to make it soft, just like your mom's hugs." Leo feels warm inside. He is not just making a cake. He is thinking about his family. He thinks about how his dad helps him with homework. He thinks about how his mom reads him stories at night. The cake goes into the oven. Soon, the house smells delicious. It smells like vanilla and love. Later, Dad comes home with flowers. Mom comes into the kitchen. She looks tired from work. "Surprise!" Leo shouts. They sit at the table. The cake is in the middle. It is not perfect. It is a little crooked. But Mom's eyes are shiny. She looks delighted. She gives Leo a big hug. She hugs Grandpa too. "This is the best gift," Mom says, "because you made it for me together." Leo eats a piece of cake. It tastes sweet, but the hug feels better than the cake. Leo realizes that his family is his favorite team. They are happy. They are together. And that is the best ending to any story. That was a beautiful story. Now, let's learn some important words we heard in the story. Together. With each other. Example 1. We study English together every day. Example 2. My family eats dinner together at 7 p.m. Special. Better or different from others. Example 1. Today is a special day because it is my birthday. Example 2. This is a very special gift from my friend. Memory. Something you remember from the past. Example 1. I have a happy memory of my old school. Example 2. This photo album is full of great memories. Crooked, not straight. Example 1. The picture on the wall is a little crooked. Example 2. He has a cute, crooked smile. Delicious. Having a very good taste. Example 1. This pizza is delicious. Example 2. My mother cooks delicious food for us. Now, let's test your listening skills. I will ask a question. You have 3 seconds to think. Then I will tell you the answer. Question 1. Who helps Leo make the cake for his mother? Answer. His grandfather, Grandpa Sam. Question 2. Why is the cake special to Leo's mom? Answer. Because the family made it together with love. Question 3. What is a special thing you like to do with your family? Answer. There is no wrong answer. Maybe you like to walk in the park or watch movies together. Family is the heart of our lives. Just like Leo, we should cherish the small moments we spend together. Did you enjoy this story? What is your favorite family memory? Tell us in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy English stories. See you next time.